Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the notification bell button, and the like button, guys. So let's get started with today's video. So today's video, I decided to finally try these glow in the dark powder pigments or pigment powders that I got on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. I basically want to DIY my own glow in the dark powders, but I want to do them with glitter. So that's what today's video is about. So if you guys want to see how I do that, keep on watching. So first thing I have is basically the glow in the dark powder pigments. And then I also have these little containers that you guys saw me haul in the Dollar Tree haul that I had, and I'll link that video in the description box down below as well, because everybody for some reason loves the Dollar Tree hauls. So yeah, so we are gonna get started. I'm just gonna open them up and see what they look like. Okay, so it does have something here that says, I guess if you're an unsatisfied customer, I guess they'll refund you your money back. I don't know, but I'm not about to read it. I'll read it later. Okay, so we do have a pretty blue, and we have one called mango. Looks like an orange. They look really nice. Lemon, cherry, lime, sky, pear, orange, kiwi, and teal. Ooh, that teal one must be pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick 3. So let me see, what do I feel like using? I don't know why, but this one's catching my attention. Let's do the cherry, which is the pink one. You guys know I love teal or turquoise or anything like that, so I'm gonna go with the turquoisey teal color. And then I'm going to, let's see, what season are we in? Spring, so a springy color. So I'm just going to do like a baby blue. I guess we'll use the blue. And all these other colors, we'll figure out what to do with them some other time. Okay, so it does have a good amount of colors in there. How much were they? They were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, about 10 of them. Okay, so I don't remember the price on the top of my head, guys, but I'll leave that in the link, that in the description box below. I'll leave the link of the Amazon store that I got it from. And ooh, I forgot I had my coffee. Let me drink this before it melts. That was so irrelevant, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open these containers. And these containers were obviously $1. They're from the Dollar Tree. If you guys find them, you better grab them, because sometimes they don't have these things all the time, depending. So we have the 3 containers, and I am going to be using my label maker to, like, I guess give them their own name. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and grab my glitters, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just picked up a bunch of random, oh my gosh, look how ghetto I am. This is the Ferrero Shea box, and I basically just put like a bunch of my glitters that I get from the Walmart or Dollar Tree. Kind of cool. So we're gonna use some Koopa powder, and I'm just going to add it into the little container, so I really don't know how many I'm gonna add. So let's do 1, 2, I think we'll add 3 to leave room for the stuff that we're adding. 3. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. And then we're going to, let's see, this is the pink one. I got this at Walmart. These are like little flakes. This one says foil confetti, and I think it was under $3. That's a steal. So I'm gonna open this. Okay. So I'm just gonna add the pink in there. That looks so pretty already. Add a little more. I'll add the powder last. I don't actually know how much powder, so I'm probably just gonna add half of it to see what happens. Then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add some glitter, some more glitter. So this is Young Nails. What is the name of this? It says Pinkle. So this is Young Nails Pinkle glitter. So pretty. We're gonna add some of this that I got on Amazon. Just some random, I guess, store on Amazon was selling these. Oh, the lights are flickering. And what else? I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I got this at Michael's. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, not too much of this, but a little bit. And then what else? I think I'm gonna add some of this. And then I want to add the, what is it called? The little powder, the glow in the dark pigment powder. So like I said, I don't know how much to add of this, so we're just gonna do half for now. I'm gonna grab this same spoon, or we'll just add a whole spoonful and see what happens. Well, not the whole spoonful, because that probably will be the whole bag. Might have to add the whole bag, to be honest. Yeah, let's just go ahead and add the whole bag, you guys. Or, I don't know, let's do half and we'll see what happens. So let's close it up. So yeah, I think I am gonna have to add the whole bag. There we go. Because if not, I don't think that the pigment will work very well. I really doubt it. Close it up. Shake, shake, shake. There we go. Now it actually looks pink. And that's what I wanted. Whoop. Okay, so that's one powder that we did. It's so pretty already. Okay, let's go and do another one. So the next one I want to do is this teal color one. It glows teal, so it doesn't look teal here, but it does glow teal. At least that's what I am getting from that, because it's obviously not teal right now. So that's why I'm guessing that it's teal. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta add the acrylic first. Let's see. So we're gonna do the same. We're gonna add 3 scoops. So that's 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna go ahead and just add the teal now instead. Add it all in there. So now we're just going to add the glitter. So I do, because it is teal, I'm gonna add this type of glitter. Ooh. I kind of want to add some of this blue, even though I'm gonna also use this in the other one, but that's okay. I want to add that one. I'll probably add some green. Let's see what I got on this part here. I want to add this color. This is like a, I think this is like a custom thing I did, but it has white powder and silver in it, so we're gonna go ahead and add that. And I have this custom color that I made with acrylic, and there's already acrylic in it, but we're gonna add some of that in there because it looks like a teal greenish blue. And we're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Maybe you can add some of this as well. Oh yeah. Let's add some of these. This is pretty. This is actually a nice turquoisey color. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. So add a couple of these. And the last one we're using is the blue one. Grab the little lid, and then we're going to add the acrylic first. So we got 1, 2, 3. I swear being in quarantine really does make you creative. Because I'm like, I've been wanting to do this for so long and I never have the time. So I'm like kind of glad I'm doing it now. So we have the powder on there. The next thing we're going to do is just add the powder, the glow in the dark powder. And like I said, we are adding all of it because we want this to be very pigmented. We want that glow to actually glow. And the cool thing is this has already a lot of color in it. So if you guys can see that, it's a lot of powder in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these because this is gonna be like a blue type of powder. And let's see, also gonna add these. I feel like I'm adding this in every one of them because it's so pretty. We're gonna add this blue. This is Royal Blue, which is not really royal, but whatever. Royal Blue from Young Nose. What is this? We're just adding so many different things in here. Oh, okay, and we're gonna add these chunkier blue ones. And I think we're gonna add some of this because I think all of them are kind of like doing this. We're kind of doing the same thing on all of them, but because this doesn't look blue, this looks purple, so I'm probably gonna skip these flakes. But I think I'm gonna add the silver ones, so add some of those in there. So I am gonna be naming them. I have my little brother, what is it called, label maker, so I'm just gonna make some random names. All right guys, so I did go off camera really quick to label this. So I have my, what is this one? So I put my label with my name, Au Couture, and I named this one Blue Dream. I think this is so cute. And then I named the pink one Pinkalicious. And I did put my label as well. This is just with my little brother label maker. You can get it at Walmart. I got it for $30 and they already had the little labels that comes with it. You could also buy more when you run out. And this one I called Teal Tomorrow because it is a teal color. And I can't wait to swatch them. So that's basically what we're doing next. We're going to be swatching them. So I'm going to grab some swatch sticks real quick. Okay. Basically that's all we have left for that. And I'm going to get ready. So we are going to do, let's see, I don't know which one to do first. I'm excited. Let's do the pink one first. I feel like I should have done it at the, I feel like I should have done it at the top. On the top. So pigmented, it's not even funny. Okay. This is so pretty. I almost forgot it glowed in the dark. So I'm gonna be so excited to see that. I might have to turn off the lights. And that should be good. So this is our pink one. I'm gonna just put it to the side. So let's close Pinkalicious up. I can't believe I did that. It's so cute. So then we're going to do the teal. I guess I'm just going in order from how I made them. We're gonna grab a little swatch stick here. And let's get into teal tomorrow. That's what I called it, teal tomorrow. So this may be more like glitter than color, but it is gonna glow like a teal color, so still excited about that. And it does have like some chunk, we did add a lot of chunky glitters to it. I think out of all of them, this is the one I'm most excited about, because this is one of my favorite colors, turquoise, teal, anything along those lines I love. Okay, and that's teal tomorrow. I could have probably added color, but I really wanted it kind of translucent. Oh, that's not it. Okay, so this one is the one I named Blue Dream. This is gonna be like a darker blue. Hopefully it comes out like a solid blue. That's what I was aiming for, because I can tell by the pigment it was, you know, more of an opaque color versus the teal color. That was, I could tell, was more translucent. So it does look blue so far. So far so good. Oh, this is nice. There's so much dimension in it. I think that's what I really like about it. This will be great for an accent now, or if you want to do the whole thing like I said with this color. Wow, I'm very, very happy. But we still have to see how they glow in the dark. So I'm gonna turn off my ring light. I'm gonna try to close my curtains, turn off the lights near me, around me. So I will be right back. So I'm gonna take out my lamp and we're gonna activate them, because you do have to kind of activate them, recharge them, and that's what it says on this thing somewhere. It just says non-radioactive, rechargeable, long-lasting. Okay, so we're going to activate them. This is how I usually activate them. So we're gonna turn this ring light on for the ring light. We're gonna turn on my LED lamp on top of them to kind of activate them. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm in shock. Oh my goodness. Even the bottles are glowing. Oh my gosh. So if you do go outside and it's really bright out, and then you go into somebody's house and it's dark, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see it. Look at that. Definitely, you can definitely see it. It looks kind of like, this one looks like lava colored. It's funny. And then this one, it's like a peach tone in real life. It's like a pink peach. This one definitely is a teal aqua, beautiful color. And this one is definitely a darker blue. Wow, very cool, very cool. Anyway, alright guys, that is all for the video. Let me know if you guys like this. Let me know if this helped you out. This is really cool. I'm actually going to make more. I'm going to make some of solid colors. I'm going to make more glitters. This is really cool. We'll have to order another one. I'm like so excited about this. And the cool thing is it's literally limitless. You can make as many colors. But yeah guys, I'm so happy. I will make sure that I did insert the footage of them in the actual darkness. So yeah. Can't wait for you guys to see this video. Thanks again. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.